What's up guys, I'm Simon here with Z1 Off-Road, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your factory utility rails and your Xterra to our fancy Utility-Track system. So functionally these are similar, but this one is going to be a bit of an upgrade because one, it's going to be stronger. You can see the lip on there is just a bit thicker than the thin sheet metal there. And you can use our speed cleats and other Utility-Track accessories to essentially lock your tie downs in place. So something like this, and now you're good to go. So that's what we're going to be doing today. You can see we've already got it installed on this side, so I'm going to go ahead and knock out the other side and show you guys how to do that. So the first tool I'm going to need is either a Phillips head if you don't have our X-cleat tie downs, or a 4mm Allen head if you do have our X-cleat tie downs. So I'm going to take the Allen key here and just go ahead and loosen these up. Oh, that's already pretty loose. Set this aside. We won't be reusing that, but keep it just in case. And so now we're just going to pop this whole track out like this. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and take these out, save these, maybe give them to a buddy who hasn't upgraded to our Utility-Track yet. So set those aside, and last thing we're going to do on this guy is take some pliers, pop this guy out just like that. We'll set that aside, and now we're ready to install the track. So you're going to have a little half moon cut out. This is actually a kit from our Frontier that we've adapted to fit the Xterra. So you can see we've got a little cutout right here, and we're just going to put that facing forward. So nice and easy. And you might find that it can be easier to, if these are in your way, these little plastic tabs right here, you can just cut them off, or you can leave them. I've had good luck leaving them in the past, so I'm not going to mess with that, but it's up to you. It might make it a little bit easier. So next we've got button heads with some oversized washers. Take a 4mm Allen head, or Allen key. Start putting these screws in. I'm actually just going to climb up in here and make it a little easier. I got that one started. Now we can just tighten those all down. Last one. The last thing we're going to do is put this plastic trim piece back. That just goes back in here. You might find that's easier to fold your seat down if you need, but that's that. So now we got Utility-Track in the back of our Xterra. So that was easy, and if you want a set for your Xterra, check it out at z1offroad.com.